The World Cup is over. Spain are the champions. And 30 seconds after the final whistle, I had this animation ready for them. Not because I guessed right, because I never had to guess. See, I didn't build a video for one team. I built a machine where the team is a single word, a month of production down to one edit.
Thanks to Outskill for sponsoring this video. If you're feeling behind in AI, I got you. The Claude AI Mastery Workshop. A full deep dive into Claude, its real use cases, and 10 plus other AI tools.
Over 10 million people worldwide have already attended this and rated it a solid 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. If you're serious about Claude, do not skip this. Sign up now and you also get 3 free bonuses. 50 secret Claude codes that turn it into a God-tier tool, a full AI prompt library, and a personalized AI toolkit builder.
Happening this weekend, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So go register through the link in bio, and they've been generous enough to make it free of cost for my audience. Now back to the video.
Most people hard code everything. The country, the kit, the exact hex codes, straight into every prompt. And that works for one ad. Then you want a second team and suddenly you're hand editing 50 colors across 10 prompts. Miss one, and your player's got a yellow sleeve on a blue shirt in shot 4 and nowhere else. So here's the rule.
Everything stays country agnostic. What the character looks like lives in exactly one place.
Nothing downstream describes him. It just points at him. You change the country at the top, that one place regenerates, and every shot follows. One edit, and the whole campaign reskins. That's the unlock. I'm building this in Higgsfield on the canvas. It's node-based, so the whole pipeline sits on one board. There are 4 pieces. 1, the inputs. Country, name, number, position. These are your dials, and the country is the master switch. 2, a language model node. I'm using Claude. It takes those raw inputs and writes the full character prompt for me.
You are in control. Tell exactly the inputs you want, and the master prompt takes care of the rest. Characters that look copyright clean.
3, the character sheet. 4 views, neutral pose. This image is your source of truth. 4, the video shots.
And look what the prompts say, nothing overly complicated. Our references do the heavy lifting. Now we only focus on the camera and directing.
Then you wire that one sheet into every video node, every single one.
Miss one and your player turns into a different guy by shot 5. Let's generate.
That's the spot. One character, every shot consistent. Now here's where it gets good. One of these shots has the hero beating a defender. 2 characters in the same frame. So you run the factory again. Second instance, opponent's country. Now you've got 2 dials, your team and theirs. Hero goes in the first slot, opponent in the second. The first reference always binds strongest. Get that backwards and your hero stops being the hero. And make the 2 kits visually different. Same trick for the goalkeeper. Third instance, keeper kit, and he reskins right along with his team. Some things never change though. The referee, the trophy, those stay fixed no matter who's playing. Now, the part this was all for. I change one word. Argentina. New player, new kit, and every shot rebuilt itself. One more. Spain. 3 teams, 3 finished videos, and I did not rewrite a single prompt. Now with this workflow, we just need to change 3 words, and in a matter of minutes, we have a whole new video ready to publish. Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, you name it.
And it was all possible because we use Claude in a strategic way. If you want to learn more about Claude and how to use it as a pro, you can go to outskill.com. Check the link in the description.